Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and if you've ever been in a pinch to have a dessert, this Pepsi Cherry Dump cake is for you. For our cake today, we're going to need a box of chocolate cake mix, a cup of cherry flavored Coke or Pepsi, 2 cans of cherry mixture for pies, and a cup of premium milk chocolate chips. Yep, this should be pretty easy. Starting off as easy, we're going to want our cup of Pepsi or Coke, whichever you chose, a cup of chocolate chips. We're going to mix that together thoroughly. Also going to take the opportunity to dump both cherry cans into the bottom of our baking dish. And then we'll be dumping that cake mixture we made on top of that. And this is going to go into an oven preheated at 350 for the next 40 minutes. Or until the middle is thoroughly cooked and not soft or wet. And 40 minutes later we have this lovely bubbly cake that's hot out of the oven. So we're going to let that reach room temperature, about 15 minutes or so. And dig in and try it. Cake's cool off, and the last thing to do is try it out. Let's get a good bite of this with cherry in it. Try it out. This honestly has a really amazing flavor. And of course, it's really sweet. And if you ever need a dessert in a pinch, this is it. It was really easy to make, as you saw. It's also sitting here thinking that it would be possible to make Dr. Pepper cake with other berries, like strawberries or mixed berries. Maybe even, not have a lot of fruit in it, put other things in it, like some caramel chips or something. The possibilities are honestly endless with this, and of course, you can always combine other fruits and other cake mixes of other sorts to make different dump cakes. And overall, this is a very good cake. I like the flavors. If you want to make your own cherry compote or fruit compote, I would highly recommend it too if you have time. But if you're in a pinch to get something out, this is good. So if you have any thoughts, ever tried something like this, let me know in the comments. Leave me a like. And I will see you in the next video.